Halo semuanya, selamat datang di akun channel Pina Dera, belajar bersama Dera.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nadwa Depa Ramadhani with NPM A1B025092, and today I am presenting a study titled Story Time in the Movie Zootopia. This journal discusses how animated movie can reflect social problem in real life. In Zootopia, animals are used to represent different social group in society. The research explained that the story type are not only found in real life but also in media and movie. Through the relationship between predators and prey, the movie saw prejudge, discrimination, and unfair judgment. This research was written by Widya Attila and Bahri Arifin and Nita Maya Valentin from Mula Warman University. In slide 2, the anatomy of story type. What is story type? So in this slide, the journal explained the meaning of story type. A story type is a belief or assumption about a group of people. Usually, story type come from limited information, culture, or personal experience. Because of story type, people often judge author too quickly without really knowing them. For example, some character thinks all folks are dangerous or all rabbits are weak. This is called generation because one idea is used for all individuals in a group. The journal also explained categorization. Humans naturally group people into categories to make the world easier to understand. However, this can create unfair opinion and also discrimination. The purpose of this research is to identify story type in Zootopia and explain why the character use story type in the movie. Let's investigating the script methodology. How did the research study the movie? In this part, the journal explained the research method. The research used a qualitative descriptive method, and this means the study dialogue and scene carefully to understand meaning and social behavior. First, the research collect dialogue and sentence directly from the Zootopia movie script. They focus on conversation related to story type and prejudge. Second, they group the story type in categories such as gender, race, age, cycle appearance, and only language. And their language. Third, the research analyzes the reason why characters use story type. They study whether story type appears because of emotion, fear, personal thinking, or social influence. The study used psychoanalytic story about story type psychology. And in slide 4, the evidence board have 43 instances of bias. Type of story type found in the movie, and in this slide the research explained the result of the study. They found 43 explain of story type and bias in Zootopia. The biggest category is race story type in the movie. Race is represented by predators and prey. Many characters believe predators are naturally dangerous, while prey animals are naturally weak. The research also found other story type related to occupation and social status, cycle appearance, national group, gender, language, other social stereotype, and there are many reasons here. The journal explained the race stereotype are the most dominant because the main conflict in the movie focus on the relationship between predators and preyer. They saw how fear and social labels can divide group and society. In slide 5, we will talk about example. Example 1, Guyton Gray. In this example, Gaiden Gray says the predator used to eat prey and that the killer instilled in their DNA. This statement is an example of racial stereotype because Gaiden described predator as naturally dangerous. Even though society has changed, the stereotype still exists. This also shows prejudice because individuals are judged based on their specific, not their personal behavior. In example 2, Benjamin Clouser. In another example, Benjamin Clouser tells Jodie hopes that she is cuter than he expects. Even though it sounds like compliment, it's actually a stereotype and microaggression. And he focused on Jodie's appearance instead of her ability as a police officer. This shows that many characters underestimate Jodie because she is a bunny. They think bunnies are cute and weak, not strong or capable. And the next slide 6, the psychology of bias, individual versus social function. Why do people use stereotype? In this slide, the journal explained the reason why people use stereotype. First, stereotype have individual function. That means many people use stereotype to simply the word because humans cannot remember or understand everything in detail. This is called cognitive simplification. For example, Yaks believe Nengi will remember information because she's an 11. This comes from the stereotype the 11 always have a strong memory. However, Nancy actually forgets the information. This proves that stereotypes are not always true. The research found 27 data related to cognitive function, 10 data related to affective functions such as self-protection and self-esteem, and second, stereotypes also have social function. In slide 7, animator fiction as a social mirror. What message does the movie give? In the last slide, I will talk about the journal explained the message of the movie. Zootopia reflects real-life society because the city is very diverse, just like the real world. Since there are many different groups, characters use stereotypes to understand others quickly. Unfortunately, this creates prejudice and discrimination. The movie also shows how stereotype can limit someone's potential. Like, for example, Judy is underestimated because she is bunny. And then Nick gives up on his dream because people think folks are naturally dangerous and cunning. And the journal teaches us that understanding stereotype can help people life because it's easy for everyone. So Peach Wool is the first. It's all for me. I'm Nabila Paramadani. Say thank you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.